my God, guys, do you know where we are now? Baka English lang. Nandito kami sa yung monastery no, daw historical place. Ito daw yung may nag-iisang sila yung war daw nung araw 1955 till to 1959. Ito daw yung nagtago yung mga Cypriots dito. Siya ano ba sinabi kanina na hinahanap sila ng British dito yung may giyera tapos pinalalabas sila, ayaw silang lumabas, sinunog. Lumabas ang iba, nag-iisa lang daw yung nasinunog kasi nga second leader siya, parang si Aguinaldo ganun, hindi lumabas. Hindi siya sinunog siya. Here, this is what you say, this is the leader. Ito daw yung second leader. Ayan siya Now, where's the tunnel? Walang tao, quarantine guys, walang katao-tao, sarado. Napakalamig naman dito. Yun naman yung bundok. Mababa na kami, kanya nasa mataas kami, tapos bumaba uli. Papunta na to ng Nicosia Grabe, ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Kasi nananakot pa to. Oh my God. Nobody inside, Where's the tunnel now? Tunnel. Oh my God, ang lamig. Ang lamig, guys. Is it I close it nicely or what? Ito na guys yung tunnel daw. Kaya naman pala daw oh my God. I'm sorry. Hi baby. Hi. No, yes, look, wait a minute. Kaya pala daw natagpuan naman to ng mga British yung nagtago silang ilang daang pero lumabas din naman isa lang naiwan. May nag-try door. Alam nyo na yon, yung makapili. Ito yung tunnel. Wait lang. Inang ko po. Makahawak lang, makablog lang kasi. Bilis naman itong isa na to. Ang ganda guys. Look. Wait. Ito na talaga ang virgin forest na tinatawag. Parang Amazon na dito What is this? Ano yung mga kinalat nila dyan? What is this blue here? Man, what? Ito na. Hanggang ngayon nagbibigay pa. Until now. 99 what? When was the last time you? No, you are the one. When was the last time you've been here? You've been here 1991, 92. 92 yung soldier daw siya. Nag-nimosimo sila. Ayan, dyan
Make the light.
Make the light? Oh, it's okay.
Make light, go inside.
Okay.
Sure.
And guys, may ibang taong pumasok. Hindi pala daan, 5 persons sila. Pero siya lang hanggang ngayon, pa 1992 siya daw last time na nandito yung soldier siya. Nagbigay, sila, pugay, parang, ano ba yung demotion mo sa atin? Yung death anniversary nitong tao na to. 5 katao sila dyan, nagtago, pero pinalalabas, lumabas yung 4, yung isa natira, ayaw lumabas. Yun nga yung leader, yung may statue dun sa taas. Pumasok siya sa loob Ako hindi. Ayaw ko. Kaya may tao sa loob. Mga din, turista sila. Grabe, hanggang ngayon may nagbibigay. Who bring this? Until now, who bring the flower? Until now, no? Death anniversary. The government. Ayan, may tao. May ibang tao. Ang galing naman. Grabe sila dito. Why have flag? Is Greece or Cyprus?
Cyprus.
But the flag is Greece, No, you remember?
Hard to make.
I remember
But
this.
it's not like that. Before you have one small hole like that to go inside.
They make how you say, they make renovate. Bye-bye. Teka lang. Ay, video pala yun. Where's the Nicosia? Ayun, yun ang flag, Turkey flag. Panaya mo, I
straight.
can't, it's very cold. Coronavirus.
Ο Αυγουστής ευστέθηκε και ο Ανδρέας Τηλιανού με έξω με διατρική του Αφξεντίου. Από τις 6 το πρωί ως τις 12 το μεσημέρι κράτησε η μάχη. Απελπισμένοι οι Άγγλοι έριξαν βενζίνη και εμπριστικές βόμβες. Ο Αυγουστής ήταν εκεί για να διασώσει με τη μαρτυρία του την αυταπάρνηση ενός αγωνιστή της ελευθερίας, που πίστεψε ότι ο θάνατός του θα έφερνε ζωή. Ήταν ο Ζήλος, ο Ζώτος, ο Ρήγας, ο Έας, ο Άρης, ο Γρηγόρης και η αφxentioy.
Όταν έκαμε το proof το κρυσφύγετο,